Hello everyone, Camilo here again with the second part of that video. Right now we are going to start to weed the HTB. Weed means put out or put off all the material that we are not going to use. And as you can see in the video, the HTB it's super easy to weed. And now, with any kind of hook or sharpen tool, we are going to pull off all the material inside of the letters. It's super easy and super fast. You have to be a little bit patient. I love this process because you start to see what's going to be your final design. Two more. And that's it. We are ready to start to stamp. So here we have our t-shirt. As you can see, I put the design over my t-shirt. Then I will put my Teflon sheet just to be sure that don't damage the fabric. And remember the settings, we are going to use 320 Fahrenheit degrees for 30 seconds. We're going to start with the process. Just 30 seconds. And ready. I love to use that Cricut iron because it's super similar that an home iron. It's almost the same thing. We can wait a few seconds. And then just peel out the transparent plastic. And that's it. Our vinyl it's ready on our t-shirt. It's amazing how fast you can create your own apparel. You can customize. I always say that the only limit it's your imagination. If you have the right material, the right tools, you just need your imagination and you can create everything that you want. I love this phrase. Maybe some of you can recognize from where it's that super famous phrase. And that's it. Here we have our teacher. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the second part. If you don't watch the first part, you can go to the description and find the link to go to the first part of that video. If you like our channel, please share it with your friends and give us a like. And see you in the next time with a new project. Bye bye.